It's your girl Lily, the makeup passionista and BLB expert that is beauty on a budget, in case you didn't know. Today I am trying out some makeup that I've had in my drawer for a while, and I just haven't had the chance to try them out yet. I am a creature of habit. I usually go towards the same things for a regular day-to-day basis. So they have been in my drawer for a while. I have not tried them, and I decided why not do a little kind of get ready with me and try this products out and see how I feel about them. Now, some of these products that I'm going to use in this look I've already tried and I loved. Some of them are new. If you guys want to see how I accomplish this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so I am taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and I am applying that all over my lid. I'm using a concealer blending brush to blend that all over my lid. I'm gonna be trying this Rimmel London Magnified Spice Edition Eye Contouring Palette. I'm taking this super warm brown color and I'm using it as a transition color. I'm taking this burgundy eyeshadow and I am intensifying my outer corner. These eyeshadows are super pigmented, they're blendable, buttery, there is some fallout, but I actually don't mind that at all. I'm taking this shimmery copper color and I'm placing it all over my lids. I'm taking this shimmery white color and I'm placing it on my inner corner. Taking this nude color, I am blending out any harsh lines and placing it on my brow bone. I'm mixing my L'Oreal Magic Skin Beauty BB Cream with my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, and I'm placing it all over my face. I'm using my Physicians Formula D Healthy Foundation in shade MN4. This is my third time using this foundation. I like applying it with a sponge rather than a brush. However, the scent turns me off. It smells like chemicals. If you're into scents or very sensitive to that kind of smell, I would not suggest this foundation. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Creamy Beige to conceal under my eyes. I'm using the shade that matches my skin color to create a more natural finish. Taking my Airspun translucent powder, I am setting under my eyes. I'm placing some translucent powder under my cheeks to create more definition. Using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 220, I'm gonna set my whole face. I'm trying out this Physicians Formula Bronze Booster Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm using this warm tone shade to contour. I'm using the lighter shade to add definition to my nose. I'm using this Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Party. It's kind of like a subtle, dark, rosy color. It looks so gorgeous on my cheeks, and I love it. I'm gonna try the e.l.f. Heart Defensor Highlighter Palette. This highlighter is blinding, super pigmented and buttery. It looks so gorgeous on the skin. It does have like little fine chunks of glitter, which I actually don't mind. Going back to the burgundy shade, I'm going to place that underneath my eyes. And taking that nude color, I am placing it right underneath that burgundy shade. I'm taking that white shimmery shade again, and I'm placing it on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using the Grwm Cosmetics Lash Primer to prime my lashes. I'm using the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara for my lashes. Taking the Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Calling Your Bluff, I am placing that on the waterline. I had to warm it up on my hand for a smoother application on my waterline. I'm trying this LA Colors matte liquid lipstick and lip liner combined with this Hank and Henry matte liquid lipstick in the color Petal Pusher. I love how these two lip colors work together. They have my lips looking super plump, super full, super beautiful. I just love it. that is it for my get ready with me. I was definitely very impressed by this eyeshadows. Yo, drugstore makeup has been stepping up their game, especially when it comes to eyeshadows. I have always been very skeptical about getting eyeshadows at the drugstore because, to be honest, they're always hit and misses. But I was so impressed by how this actually performed, the pigmentation, how blendable it was, how beautiful the colors are. Like, I was just impressed. So this is, ooh, okay. This might be like my go-to every day from now on. I don't know. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post. And remember, every like, every share, every comment is greatly appreciated on this channel, and it does help my channel. So I'm gonna let you get that going, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.